Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Ed. Ed writes from Elizabeth, New Jersey. And Ed writes, our sewer is backed up. Do we have to repair it, or is it the municipality's responsibility? Well, that's a great question, Ed. The answer is it really depends on where the block or break in the line occurs. So if it occurs in your home, then it's your responsibility. But as the lines go out from your home, it's not necessarily so clear cut. Now, you can call your local municipality or local water utility company, and they normally have a detailed map that shows all the sewer lines around all the houses and properties in an area. And if the problem is in the main sewer line, normally then it's the responsibility of the local water utility company to fix it. But if the block or the break originates in your home, or if it originates in the private lines that lead from your home, then normally it would be your responsibility. But you can, to mitigate your risk, you can purchase insurance, sewer insurance, which is not very expensive, that will reduce the risk so that if there is a block or a break that's not in the main, it'll, cover the cost or cover, a large portion of the cost if it's not associated with the main line, but it originates in your home or in the private lines that lead from your home. So thanks for your question, Ed. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.